Good morning, children. Today, let us revise the lesson Food and Health. So, let us see what all we have learned in this lesson. So, first, we learned about nutrients. What are nutrients? The chemical substances that are essential for healthy growth and development of the body are nutrients. Based on their function, nutrients are divided into three types. First, energy giving nutrients. Number two, body building nutrients. Number three, protective nutrients. So first, energy giving nutrients are the nutrients that give us energy to do our work. They are carbohydrates and fats. Number two, body building nutrients. The nutrients that help us to build up our body are body building nutrients. They are proteins. Number three, protective nutrients. The nutrients that helps us to fight diseases and stay healthy are protective nutrients. They are vitamins and minerals. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are the nutrients that give us instant energy. The word instant means immediate. Sugar and starch are the two forms of carbohydrates. Fats. Fats are the nutrients that give us energy in the absence of carbohydrates. Fats also give protection to vital organs in our body like heart, brain, etc. Vital means very important. Fats also provide warmth to our body during winters. Protein. Proteins are the nutrients that help us to grow and maintain our body. They help us to repair and replace the damaged body parts. Vitamins and minerals are the nutrients which are required in small amounts but very important as they help us to fight diseases and stay healthy. Next, roughage. Roughage is nothing but dietary fiber, means the fiber which we can eat. We get roughage only from plant products. And this roughage does not provide any nutrient to us, but it is very important because it helps in easy passage of food in our digestive system and helps in proper digestion. It also helps in removing the waste from our body. Roughage also reduces excess acidity in our stomach. Next, water. Water also plays a very important role in our body. It helps in digestion of food. It helps in carrying the nutrients all over the body. It helps in collecting the waste from all over the body and also in sending the waste out of the body. Water also helps us to maintain our body temperature. Okay, next, balanced diet. Diet means the food which we eat. Balanced diet means contains all the nutrients like carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, and minerals in the right amounts along with water and roughage. If we do not have balanced diet, we fall ill. So, what is malnutrition? It is a condition in which the body does not get right amount of nutrients. This malnutrition occurs in two forms: overnutrition, undernutrition. Overnutrition. It is a condition faced by a person who eats too much food with excess nutrients. And symptoms of overnutrition are: a person becomes overweight, means increase in the weight of the body. Undernutrition. It is a condition faced by a person who does not get enough nutrients from food. And the symptoms of undernutrition are: a person becomes very thin, weak, body growth reduces, even the thinking capability also reduces, and he falls ill frequently. Next, we learnt about deficiency diseases. What is a disease? An abnormal condition in our body where one or more body parts do not work properly. And deficiency diseases are the diseases that are caused in our body due to lack of certain nutrients in our diet for a long time. Now let us see various deficiency diseases caused in our body. First, night blindness. Night blindness is the deficiency disease of vitamin A. The signs of the disease, night blindness, is poor vision in dim light. That means a person cannot see properly in dim light. Next, beriberi. Beriberi is the deficiency disease of vitamin B. And the signs of the disease beriberi are tiredness, loss of muscle function, speech difficulty. Third deficiency disease is scurvy. Scurvy is the deficiency disease of vitamin C. And the signs of the disease scurvy are swelling, infection, and bleeding of gums. Rickets. Rickets is the deficiency disease of vitamin D. Signs of the disease rickets is bones become soft and bent. Anemia is the deficiency disease of iron, and the signs of the disease anemia are weakness, pale skin, a person gets tired very easily, and dark patches are seen under the eyes. Goiter. Goiter is the deficiency disease of iodine. The signs of the disease goiter is swelling of thyroid gland in the neck. These are the sources, children. Next, bone and tooth decay, which is the deficiency disease of calcium. And the signs of the disease are weak damage to the teeth. Kwashiorkor is the deficiency disease of proteins. And the signs of the disease kwashiorkor are swollen stomach, thin legs, stunted growth. Swollen stomach means bulged stomach, children. Stunted growth means growth will be slowed down or totally stopped. Next, marasmus. Marasmus is the deficiency disease of both proteins and carbohydrates. The signs of the disease marasmus are underweight, loose folds can be seen in the skin. The person will be very lean. That means he cannot move by himself. And also ribs become prominent. Ribs can be seen under the skin. This kwashiorkor and marasmus are the diseases that will be affecting the children of age group 1 to 5. Okay. Next, junk food. What is junk food? Foods that are rich in sugars, fats, which are tasty to eat, which are enjoyable to eat, but lack nutrients, or junk food. We love to eat junk food, right? But it's not good for our health. So if we eat junk foods regularly, what happens? Extra fat gets deposited in our body and it leads to some diseases like heart attack, heart risk, etc. And also fats get deposited in our body and we will become overweight. So children, try to avoid junk food. Next, obesity. What is obesity? It is a condition of being overweight due to settling of extra fat in the body. Simple, we can say, consumption of more junk food leads to obesity. That means if we eat more junk food, fat gets deposited in our body and we will become obese. And this obesity affects the growth and development of a person. So how to prevent this obesity? We can prevent by having a balanced low fat diet and by doing some of the exercises like cycling, swimming, jogging, fast walking, etc. Next, we also learned the food apart from balanced diet, the healthy habits which we should have in our day-to-day life. They are regular exercise, rest, and good posture. Now let us see why we should exercise our body regularly. If we exercise, it helps to develop our muscles. Exercise makes our muscles flexible and strong. When we exercise, more blood will be pumped throughout the body. As blood carries oxygen, oxygen reaches each and every part of our body and all parts will be strong. And also regular exercise makes our bones and joints stronger. Regular exercise strengthens our nervous system by supplying more oxygen to our brain. Posture. What is posture? It is the position in which we hold our body when we sit, stand, walk, even when we sleep. Why should we maintain a good posture? We should maintain a good posture because it decreases stress on our backbone and keeps it strong. A good posture makes the bones and joints stronger and also keeps them in right position. A good posture prevents backache. Backache means back pain, children, and also muscle pain. When we maintain a good posture, it gives a graceful appearance to our body. Okay, next, rest. When we do work, we feel tired. We'll be feeling to take rest, right? So, what happens when we rest? Even all the body parts rest and we feel fresh, energetic, right? So, when we rest, our muscles relax and our breathing and heartbeat slow down. This gives our body time to grow and also to repair the damaged body parts. We feel fresh and energetic when we take enough rest. That's the reason why people say we should sleep for 8 to 10 hours, especially children of your age. You need 8 to 10 hours. Adults, 6 to 8 hours is sufficient. So, these are the topics what we have learned in the lesson food and health. Children, once again you read the lesson and try to do all the textbook exercises on your own. And also learn the question answers which are given in the worksheets and also the textbook question answers. Kindly learn the spellings and spell the spellings when you write. Thank you, children. Have a good day.